The next question. Given tan A equal to 4 by 3, find cosecant of A divided by cot A minus secant A. Let us just have one right angled triangle. We'll draw. Let me call this as A, B, C. I'm putting an angle here so that the tan A will be. So when they say tan A, they gave it as a ratio. Tan A solution, tan A is expressed as a ratio, and hence we can write tan A, which will be, we know TOA means it is opposite by adjacent, right? And since it is expressed in the form of a ratio 4 by 3, in general I can consider it as 4x by 3x. Any x which is getting multiplied, because it need not be exactly the same size. So what is the opposite side of A? It is BC. So BC I will call it as 4x. What is adjacent? It is AB, which I will call it as 3x. That means we can now use again Pythagoras theorem. Applying that, we can say AC the square should be AB the square plus BC the square. So AC the square we are supposed to find. AB the square is 3x the whole square, and this will be 4x the whole square. This will be 9x square. This will be 16x square. So the result is 25x square, which means we can say AC is equal to 5x. So I can write this as 5x. Now, first one thing we can directly do, one is tan A is known to be 4 by 3, which directly says cot A should be the reciprocal of that, because we know definition of cot is inverse of tan. So this will become 3 by 4, right? So further we will have to proceed. We will proceed in the next slide. Cosecant A we will have to write. What is cosecant of A? Cosecant of A, we know it is inverse of sine of A, inverse of sine A. Sine A, we know it is opposite by hypotenuse. That means this will be hypotenuse by opposite. Now let us identify what is the hypotenuse for the angle A. For the angle A, hypotenuse is 5x. And for angle A, opposite is 4x. So that means cosecant of A will be 5 by 4. Then what else we require? Cot we already wrote, secant of A. So secant of A is 1 by cos A, inverse of cos A. We know inverse of cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. That means this will be a reciprocal, hypotenuse by adjacent. What is hypotenuse? We know for A it is 5x. What is the adjacent? We'll see. Adjacent of A is 3x. So this will work out to 5 by 3. Now what is that we are supposed to find? Cosecant of A divided by what? Cot A minus secant A. Cot A minus secant A. So cosecant of A is 5 by 4. Whole thing divided by, what is cot A? We wrote here 3 by 4. Minus secant of A is 5 by 3. So this will be 5 by 4. And in the denominator, we'll have to take the LCM of 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. So 4 3s are 12. That means 3 into 3. This becomes 9. 3 4s are 12. That means this will be 5 into 4, 20. So this will be 5 by 4 divided by minus 11 by 12. Or I can write it as 5 by 4 multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator, minus 12 by 11. This goes with this 3 times. That means the result will be minus 15 by 11. So that will be the result of this particular question.